Students, now let's try to solve some numericals with the help of expenditure method. Now, using expenditure method, how we can calculate the value of national income. So in this numerical, you can see that the items given are: first, we have to take private final consumption expenditure. Profit is not considered in expenditure method. Then next item is government final consumption expenditure. Gross domestic capital formation is given, so there is no need to add change in stock in it. Then net imports are given. So if net exports were given, we have added its value. Now net imports are given, so we will deduct the value. By this, we will get the value of GDP MP, and for converting GDP MP into NNPFC, we will reduce the value of indirect taxes, net indirect taxes, minus consumption of fixed capital, that is depreciation, and we will add net factor income from abroad. So we will get the value of NNPFC. Now in this question, again we have to calculate NNPMP this time, not NNPFC. So the items will be private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure. Now in this question, net domestic fixed capital formation is given. So we will convert this net domestic fixed capital formation in gross domestic fixed capital formation by adding depreciation. You can see now in this in solution of this sum, depreciation is not given, because here we will add, to calculate GDP MP, we will add depreciation, and to calculate NNP MP we will deduct depreciation. So adding and deducting means depreciation is not considered. So plus change in stock, that is closing stock minus opening stock, and plus we will take net exports, and net export means exports minus imports. Now for calculating NNP MP, we will also reduce the value of net factor income to abroad. So from abroad, when it is given from abroad, we add it. Now here it is given to abroad, so we will deduct it. Now in this last question, we can see that again private final consumption expenditure is given, government final consumption expenditure is given, net domestic capital formation is given. Again, you can, to calculate GDP MP, you can add depreciation, then minus net imports. Now here we have to calculate NNPFC. So we will reduce the value of net factor income to abroad and minus net indirect taxes. So net indirect taxes minus net indirect taxes means minus indirect taxes plus subsidies, and we can calculate the value of national income, that is NNPFC.